Alright, so today I'm going to be working on something a little bit different from what I have been doing. I've been making pens recently, the most recent one being the lightsaber pen that is up on my Etsy page now. If by the time this video is posted it hasn't been sold yet, but that is what I've been doing. I have lots of pens up for sale on my Etsy, but today I'm going to be building a Y-Wing starfighter. I have built these in the past, not the Y-Wing, but other boxed model kits. I enjoy building the Star Wars one. I've enjoyed building the Gundam ones as well. Here's one that I've done that I have just sitting here. It's a little bit dusty because it's been sitting on a shelf, but it's the Razor Crest from Star Wars The Mandalorian. These that I do, these Star Wars ones, are hand painted just because I think it looks better than the stickers that come with the model. So I do all the weathering, I do all the detail work, all of that on here, just because I think it looks better. I think it looks a little bit nicer, and yeah, they're dusty. I need to clean them, but I'll be doing the same thing with the Y-Wing, and I have another Star Wars model to build and another Gundam model to build. But yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and get going on this. Alright, so let's get this out of the box here. So here's all of my different sprues. There's the stand one. That one can be set aside for now, just because we don't need it at the moment. That will be the last thing we do. But we'll go ahead and get this started. I'm going to set these aside and work on them one at a time as I get going on this. I'm doing this off camera. I'm very sorry. I'm not very good at placing things in the line of the camera. I'm trying to be better about that. So for a lot of people, these won't take very much time. For me, they take a little while because I do very intentionally clean them up quite a bit. So I spend a lot of time making sure it looks right for me, because I do like it to be a very particular way whenever I'm putting it together. And for some people, they're the same as me. For others, they are much less caring. And I applaud the people who can do that, because I don't think I can. I would love to be able to just slap it together and be happy with it, but the crafter in me will not let me do it. I will be pretty meticulous with all of this stuff, whether I like it or not, and that's my own problem. Doing something this small, almost like this here. A little file on your nails. I've only ever done that like once in my life. Not gonna lie, though, it's pretty nice. I like polish it up real good for you. I am going to go ahead and glue this piece in, because then it will actually stay in, and it's a tiny piece, so tiny pieces I usually like to glue because they are very susceptible to falling out. So I just need the tiniest bit of glue on there, and we'll pop this on top just like that. That is probably impossible to see, but there it is. There's that top of the cockpit. And we'll go ahead and pop it on here. I'm also going to glue this because I know it's going to pop out. Plus it'll just help hold everything else together if I do that. So just a tiny bit there. Same thing there. It does not take a lot of glue for these. Not at all. If you find yourself wanting to use a lot of glue, start over. Don't do it. It's a trap. Because this glue is strong. And you don't need much to make it work. Alright. So there is the front end and cockpit for the Y-Wing. So now we're going to move on to the main body. The good thing about these sprue connections is that most of the time they're not visible. They're hidden usually. The bad thing is sometimes, because they're hidden, they butt up against other joints or other parts of the model and can leave little gaps. So that's why I like to trim these off and make sure they're nice and flush. I wouldn't say it's my favorite part, but I do very much enjoy the painting of it. I love providing that kind of detail to models like this. And miniatures. I like painting miniatures as well. I haven't done that in a while though. I should do it again. I have a set of miniatures that I need to paint for a game and haven't done it, even though I've been putting it off. I really need to do it. Alright, so here's that finished Y-Wing, the built Y-Wing. I don't have time to paint it right now. I actually had to step away for a little while. So I was just able to finish it, and I don't really have a lot of time anymore. So I will probably get to painting this in a little while, in the next couple of days, whenever I have time. So that will probably be a part 2, unfortunately. But yeah, so I'm gonna wrap this video up with just this. I hope you enjoyed it, because these are always fun to build. So I hope you enjoyed the build of it, and I'll get to painting it. I'll make another video of me painting it. So yeah, that's gonna be it for this one. Thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe. Let me know if there's other ways that you think I can improve or make this more entertaining for you. But yeah, that's gonna be all for today. See ya!